wait, don't start.
Hey guys, it's me, Sanaya, and today I'll be playing Flood Survival Waves on Roblox. If you guys ever want to add me as a friend on Roblox, my name is StatWheels. So you can just look that up on Roblox, and I'll add the first people who add me. The first 10 people who add me, I'll add them back. So right now, a wave is going to strike down there in a couple of seconds. So the map is a castle. So since it's a flood, oh, sorry, I thought I was about to fall. So I'm going to the top of the tower and just avoid the flood that's down there, obviously. And later on during the game, I have a special guest join me. I've known her for my whole life. I've known her my whole life. I know her whole life. Okay. Ooh, I won. Yes. Well, you know what? I'm about to change this app because it's the same thing over and over again. It's a flood. We get it. Let's see. So, I'm gonna be playing Fashion Frenzies. Let's see. Hold on. Let me type it in. Ooh. Okay. Okay, there it is. Oh, whoa. What is this? Whoa. Okay, good. I was worried that wouldn't go away and it would have messed up my whole entire video. I'm sorry if my voice is a little, hoarse. I have 81 seconds left. Okay, so I have less time than I usually do because I just joined the game. Oh gosh, this game is glitching. I guess that's the only outfit I could put on right now. Hello? I don't know what's going on with this game lately. Oh, this music is terrible. Okay, that's better. Okay, total wrecked. Oh, hey, I got the pants. Yeah, that looks like I just got beat up. Okay, I'm gonna do this ugly hairstyle color. If you have this hair color, I'm pretty sure it looks better on you than it does on a fictional character. Okay, so that's what I look like. I don't know why, but the middle judge never had a face. The middle judge never had a face. Okay, so the way I play this game is I either give them 5 stars or 0 stars. I don't go in between with 3, I don't do 2, I don't do 1, I don't do 4. I either give them 0 or 5. And it's hard to get a 5 for me because some of their outfits are ugly. Let's see. Or it's either ugly or it doesn't go with the category. Let's see what this girl looks like. This girl looks like she just came back from preschool and she just found out that her goldfish died. Yeah. This girl looks like she just came back from a club and she just came back home finding out that she doesn't have a home at all. She looks broke. I'm sorry. Yeah, you don't want to look like that. And if you look like that, I'll link a description below for a therapist. Okay. This girl looks like a total wreck, so you know what? I'm just gonna give her 1. 'Cause I know that I said that, but I mean it looks bad. This girl looks like she's the cousin of yeah, she looks like the cousin of what's her name? Maleficent. Yeah, but it's not pretty. Oh, my voice is glitching. I mean, not glitching. I'm not a robot. My voice is like acting up. This girl, oh my God, she looks ugly. This girl looks like she just turd on the. That girl looks like she just pooped in the flower bed. Oh, there's me. I look crazy. Hey, you there. Hi. Hi. Oh. 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 Ah, kill it. Well, understand that I only had 81 seconds, so give me a break, guys. Yeah, this girl looked like she just got beat up in the middle of the street. Yeah, and ooh. No facial expression, no hair. It looks like she just walked into the game and tapped on the first thing she saw. I think that's it. Okay, let's see who the winners are. Are you serious? That thing won? The girl who looked like she just pooped in the flower bed, she won. Oh my God. Let's see what the points are. I got 8 points. Wow. And I was the only one who looked actually put together. So, I'm surprised. So it's an intermission. My name is usually on the leaderboard. The last time I looked at this, I was in, I think I was in 3rd place. So after I see my name on the leaderboard and show you guys, I'm going to switch to a different game with my special guest. And the game we will be playing is Prison Life. Who is this? No. There we are, 2nd place. Okay, let's leave. And let me.
Wait, what was that? Oh, that was the top. Oh, okay. Oh, that was scary.
Please ignore that. I'm sorry. That just we're in the house and something just scared me so badly. Okay. Now let me join the.
I think we lost connection.
Okay, let me go to okay, let's play Prison Life. I'm waiting for my friends on Roblox to hurry up and join the game.
Did you join? No, you joined the game.
Yeah, she's right next to me. She is my cousin. I'm not giving out her information because you guys are just weird. Okay. Oh! Sorry, I just had to yell. I can't join the game because.
You start the game.
Oh my.
I can't see.
My throat.
Okay.
Okay, so as you just heard, she has to put the dishes away, and she will be right back. Don't leave me down here. I always love being the prisoner so I can help people out. So basically how this game works is there's two groups, prisoners and officers. Right now it's free time, so you can go outside and stuff like that. So you have to try to escape jail and try to... Okay. Okay. So I guess that's all I have for you guys today. I'll finish this game in my next video. So please subscribe and hit that like button. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Bye.